Welcome back, dear viewers. So in the last example, we saw example number 6 of practice set 1.1. Now we are going to solve example number 7. So let us dive into it. So this will be your equation 1 and this will be your equation 2. So we'll write down the equation as 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. This will be your equation 1. Then write down this equation below this equation. This will be 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. So here there is a hack, there is a trick which you can use and you can save your time. So here you have to observe the coefficients carefully of x and y, x and y. So if you observe it carefully, there is a pattern. You can see here this 99. Here in the first equation it is the coefficient of x, in the second equation it is the coefficient of y. And 101 here it is in the first equation it is the coefficient of y, and in the second equation it is the coefficient of x. Whenever you find such an example while solving the linear equation in two variables, what we have to do, simply add both the equation one time and then subtract both the equation one time. So you have to add one time and you have to subtract one time. But what is the condition? The condition is that you should have the coefficients aligned diagonally. Here 99 is the coefficient of x in the first equation and 99 is the coefficient of y in the second equation. Here you can see 101 is the coefficient of y in the first equation and 101 is the coefficient of x in the second equation. Whenever you find such a case and such kind of example, then you have to add both the equation one time and subtract both the equation one time. You don't have to equalize or you don't have to multiply the equation with the coefficients. You just have to add it one time and subtract it one time. Your work is done. So here what we will do, adding equation 1 and 2. So we'll add this first. We will write down 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. Below that we will write the second equation, that is 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. So we'll add both these equations. You have to do plus, all the signs will remain as it is. 99 plus 101, you have to add. 99 plus 101 is what? 200. So this is 200x plus 101 plus 99, this will be again 200y, and 499 plus 1 will be 500 plus 500, it will become 1000. So you got this 200x plus 200y is equal to 1000. Now after getting this equation, what you have to do, you have to divide it throughout by 200, not 2000. So I am writing here, divide the above equation by 200 throughout. So we'll divide this equation by 200. So 200x plus 200y is equal to 1000, and divided by 200 again to each and every term. Two hundred will get cancelled. 200 will get cancelled. 200 ones are 200 5s are. So what is the equation we get? So we got x plus y is equal to 5. X plus y is equal to 5. This will be your equation number 3. Now what we had done here, we have added both the equation one time. Now what you will do, as I told you earlier, that you will add both the equation one time and then you will subtract both the equation. So I will do equation 2 minus equation 1. Equation 2 minus equation 1, subtracting. Okay, 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. Below that I will write the first equation, that is 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. Now do subtraction, so I will write here minus. All the signs in this equation which is below the first equation will change. This plus will become minus, this plus will become minus, and this plus will become minus. So 101 minus 99. 101 minus 99 is 2x. This is the greater number, 101. So it will carry positive sign because 101 carries positive sign. So 2x. 99 minus 101. Again opposite sign, you will do subtraction and sign of greater number. 101 is greater, so we will have minus before 2. Okay. So 101 minus 99, you get 2y, but 101 is bigger and it carries a negative sign, so you will give here minus sign, negative sign, is equal to 501 minus 499. What do you get? Again you get 2. So we got this equation, 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Divide throughout by 2. What do you get? Divide the above equation by 2 throughout. So you will get x, 2x minus 2y is equal to 2 divided by 2 divided by 2. Each and every term you have to divide by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones are. It will get cancelled. 2 ones are here, only 1 will be remaining. So what do you get? X minus y is equal to 1. So this is your equation number 4. I will draw a partition. Now this 3 and 4, what you will do? Easily you can cancel out y, eliminate y, and you will get the value of x. So I am writing this equation, equation number 3. X plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. Below that I will write x minus y is equal to 1. So this is your equation 3 and equation 4. I will add both the equation, no need to subtract, because already we are having here y and minus y. So we can cancel out y, we can eliminate y, and we can get the value of x. So this y and plus y minus y will get cancelled. X plus x, you will get 2x is equal to 5 plus 1, you will get 6. So 2x is equal to 6. This 2 will go down. X is equal to 6 upon 2. 2 ones are, 2 threes are. X is equal to 3. So once you have got the value of x equal to 3, you can put this x equal to 3 in either of this equation, equation 3 or equation 4. You will get the value of y. So we will put this in equation 3 because it will be easier for us to calculate the value of y. So put, or by putting value of x equal to 3 in equation 3. So we get, instead of x we will write 3 plus y is equal to 5. Now transpose this on right hand side. So here it is plus, on right hand side when it will go, it will become minus. So this will be y is equal to 5 minus 3, y is equal to 2. So we are having our solution as, therefore the solution for the above given equation is x comma y. So 3 comma 2. X comma y. So value of x is 3 and value of y is 2. 3 comma 2. So this is our solution. And next example is a similar kind of example to which we can solve in a similar manner. So we will see that but in the next video. Thank you.